Hi, it's Emily from WTI. And if you run a small business or have a side hustle like me, you probably do a lot of mailing. And if that's true, you should check out these biodegradable poly mailers from the Impact Store. So we all know poly mailers are great, but what impact do they have on the environment? They probably aren't breaking down for hundreds of years. It's kind of scary when you think about it, especially the number of poly mailers I go through. And that's why I loved coming across this brand. These are biodegradable, they break down, and so you can feel a little bit better about making an eco-conscious choice when it comes to mailing products, promotions, gifts, giveaways, or whatever you're handcrafting. These mailers also come in a lot of cute designs. I have two designs, the clay mountain and also this boho floral design. These poly mailers are really high quality. They are as heavy duty and long lasting as any poly mailer I've used, but I love that they're a more eco-friendly choice. The seal on the back of them is really good. I haven't had any problems with packages coming open in the mail. They are very tear resistant. Of course, they're waterproof. I also, of course, love the cute boho vibe. So if you're looking for an eco-friendly choice for a poly mailer, these are a great option. And that's my point of view.